Dre here, back with another YouTube video. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Dre, and if you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm gonna be doing Q&A slash mukbang because I had you guys answer questions. I had you guys ask questions on my Instagram, and then today I'm gonna be answering it for y'all. I'm eating some Mediterranean food that I got from My One Kebab, and I also have some kombucha just because I like this drink. And it has my initials because I really like kombucha, and I don't want anybody else touching my stuff. I'm not sure what LED color lights to do for y'all today, so I'm gonna try to switch it to something else. I don't know. I really like the blue. But don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and thank you so much for tuning in. Today, I have something different for you guys. I have something special. Now, I just want to shout out on my channel. So, drum roll, please. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys this cloth plus bristle kit that I got today from Miss April. I love her so much. And she gave me this in a cute little box, and I just want to show you all the products in case you're interested in purchasing their natural cleaning products. So I'm about to open this up. This is what the inside of the box looks like. We have all the things, 100% natural cleaner for daily care. This is for kitchen, bath, and other areas. It's in a spray bottle just to make it easy to use. Next, we have the 100% natural house cold cleaner. It's called the #1. And it's also for kitchen, bath, and other areas. And this is in a bottle, whatever you prefer. I believe it's the same formula. I'm gonna go ahead and smell it and tell y'all if it smells good. This smells like lemongrass. I don't know if you guys know lemongrass oil, but oh, this smells really good. I just dropped the cap. Bye! That smells good. We're gonna smell this one next. This smells like rose hip. This smells so good, y'all. I could eat this. Like, not literally, but it smells really good. So, the ingredients are water, essential oil, clay, xylitol gum, and citric acid. And what else do I have? I have this sponge that's custom made by them. That's a cute aesthetic color. I really like this. I've never seen this sponge this color. And this is the detailing brush. It's like a little toothbrush, but it's made of bamboo, which I really like. Save the planet. And we have a little card. I'm gonna read the card for you guys. It says, thank you for your order. We appreciate your support in our growing business more than you'll ever know. So if you guys wanna go ahead and order from Cloth and Bristle today, you can use the code FREE5 to receive $5 off your next purchase. So, they have an Instagram, a TikTok, a Facebook, and a Pinterest. So if you guys are liking the products, the natural products, all that, go ahead and follow, go ahead and purchase. Anything that you do to support helps. I'm gonna go ahead and get on Instagram from my laptop because I'm using my phone to record, obviously. So I'm gonna enjoy this video today. This is so good. I know that for a fact because I like interacting with y'all, and any questions you have, I'm here to answer them. My next video is gonna be a get ready with me for a photo shoot, by the way. Because I have one this upcoming Sunday, which I'm really excited about. So I'm just gonna share that experience with y'all, a little behind the scenes. Anyways, on to y'all's questions. So someone asked, what's your favorite color? My favorite color is purple. It's always been purple. It's kind of funny because before I was even born, my mom bought me a little purple teddy bear with my name like stitched into the chest, and my favorite color just so happened to be purple. If I'm gonna be specific, lavender or dark purple is my favorite shade of purple. Someone said, what's your favorite number? My favorite number is 7. I don't really have a reasoning behind it, but I like it because it's angel numbers, and then we put 3 in a row. I live in the DMV area. I'm a DMV based model, just like it says in my YouTube bio and also my Instagram bio. But for people that didn't notice it or didn't know, I live in the DMV area. Someone said, what's your favorite movie? I'm reading the questions off here, by the way. My favorite movie? My favorite movie is After. I really like After. If you guys don't know the movie After, it's on Netflix. It's basically a love story between these two people who were soulmates. They both like reading, they both like tattoos, but a lot of things in common. And when they were done with high school and the girl, I don't want to say names, like, I don't remember anything, went to college, they were kind of falling apart. So it's a three-parter, but they found their way back to each other. They loved each other still and got their first apartment together. And I just think it's a wholesome movie. It's really good. The actors were amazing, a lot of emotion. I felt like it was real. Like, I'd be forgetting it's a movie. So yeah, I really, really love that movie. 10 out of 10, recommend anybody watch it. I think that's my favorite movie. I watched it about like 6 times since it came out. Maybe more, I don't know. Next question was, do you believe in soulmates? I do believe in soulmates. Platonic soulmates and soulmates in relationship. And soulmates in relationships. I think everybody has their somebody. I believe friends can be soulmates, amazing soulmates. You just have to meet the right person. I think everybody on this earth has a person, whether it's platonic or romantically. One of my questions for my TikTok was my skincare routine. I actually made a short of my skincare routine, a YouTube short. But if you guys don't feel like watching it, I use the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid, CeraVe moisturizer, the one with hyaluronic acid as well. I use the little star acne patches that I showed you guys I got from Amazon. I cannot stress this enough, y'all. Water is your best friend. Next question was, what is your ethnicity? I am West Indian and Chinese. My mom is not a native of America, so I'm Caribbean and Chinese. Cheers. Advice for people out there that are younger than you. Tune in, because this is gonna be a TED Talk, kinda. Let me take a sip of my drink first. If you guys have a drink, make sure you take a sip. Okay, let me be for real. My advice for people out there that are younger than me is focus on yourself, not anybody else. It's okay to have friends, you know, it's okay to have love interest, but actually, yeah, it's okay to have love interest, but just make sure that you never put yourself last. Focus on yourself. Still put yourself first. Make sure you help those around you. Even though you're putting yourself first, still care about other people, still try to help other people, still be there for other people the best that you can. Don't let it stress you out. School, make sure you do your schoolwork. Make sure you try your best in school, but also don't let school stress you out too much, you know? Mental health over everything. Mental health is very important. And whatever you want to do, put your mind to it. Take the steps, step by step. Like climbing up some stairs to get to where you want to be in your life. Make sure you're doing everything in your power to stay in a higher position than those around you. Do not let anybody pull you down. Don't let people be jealous of you or tell you can't do something or any of that stuff. Make sure you're always your own self-motivator. Tell yourself, hey, I can do this. I know it's hard sometimes, but I can work to get to where I want to be. You just have to know that you got yourself at the end of the day. Other people might have you, other people might not. But either way, sometimes all you have is yourself. So just be your biggest supporter. Sometimes we're all our own biggest enemy because you're working against yourself. You tell yourself bad things. You tell yourself, oh, I can't do this. This is too hard. Don't self-demotivate. Don't do that. And just tell yourself, yes, I can. How many piercings do you have? I have 7. 3 on this ear, 4 on this ear. This is my most recent one. These were my first ones. I got them as a set. I think it was in 2020? Yeah, 2020. I've had these since I was a baby. Then I got these last year, like probably June. And then I just got this one like 3 weeks ago. So yeah, piercing tour, fast but efficient. Netflix recommendations. So, for TV shows, Ginny and Georgia, because I love Georgia. She's a great main character. On My Block, if you haven't watched that, 13 Reasons Why, if you haven't watched that, it's very informative, very educational, it focuses around real world problems, which I like, and it's entertaining. The actors were amazing in that show. Like, they were great acting out, you know, mental health problems, mental health support, all that stuff. I really, really, really like that show. Y'all, do not come for me, but Riverdale. The first 3 seasons of Riverdale were good. I have not watched the new season, but I really enjoyed it. It left me on cliffhangers. It was kind of interesting to me. Riverdale, it's your show. Pretty Little Liars. I don't know if they took it off, but Pretty Little Liars was like amazing. The Vampire Diaries, the originals. That is the best show ever like touch this planet. Alice in Borderland. Oh my gosh, that's a good one. Alice in Borderland. The Watcher was a great, phenomenal. Y'all, if y'all like kind of like true crime, but also not true crime, because it's not true crime, but it like kind of fits into the mysterious true crime category, but it's not true crime. Y'all need to watch this. Slasher Wednesday. I personally haven't watched it, but I heard it's good, so that's a good one. Y'all need to watch the show You. It is so like, it's so interesting. And why's my laptop dying? Well, on to the next question. If you could move anywhere in the world, where would you move? If I could move anywhere on the earth without having to worry about cost of living or anything, I would move to the UK. And more specifically, I would move to Windsor, England. Because there's a lot of royal origins there and historic things that I'm curious about seeing and that I would want to visit in real life. And there's also a lot of good modeling and acting opportunities out in the UK for Americans, because for some British casting shows or some American casting shows that they do out there, they need people with an American accent. They want an American just to act in the show and do a British accent. So I think that'd be a great choice for I want to move to. What places have you visited? I have visited Georgia, New Jersey, Texas, Virginia, and South Carolina. What are your hobbies? My hobbies are skating, shopping, painting, drawing, content creation, watching Netflix, reading sometimes, because I do like books. I like sci-fi books and mystery and drama fiction. And one of my other hobbies, which is a not so good one, but I have to admit I love shopping for Amazon. Eating is another hobby. And redecorating my room. That's it. What is your favorite item in your room? I would definitely say it's my headphone collection. I love headphones, and I have 4 different pairs of headphones right now. I might add to that collection later on, but yeah, I really like headphones. What is your favorite smell and why? That's an interesting question. that I do have an answer to. My favorite smell is pine cone. Like pine cone that they have in the winter, it smells so good and Christmassy. And the reason I like pine cone smell is because I love Christmas season. Christmas is my absolute favorite holiday. Every time I smell that smell, like I know it's coming around. I know that it's almost Christmas time. And Christmas time is good. Like, I love Christmas. I like the snow. I like the little chill in the air, being able to wear cute little furry outfits, furry socks, boots and stuff. So the smell of pine cone just brings me into the realization. Maybe I see something, I go in the store, I smell it, like, it just smells amazing. So pine cone is my favorite smell of all time. And also, I love the smell of Baskin Robbins ice cream. And I just like the smell because it just smells amazing. Like, I just want to eat every flavor. Truth be told, if you could go back and change something in your life, what would you change? I'm gonna change what age I started content creation, because I never knew nor thought I would enjoy doing YouTube videos. I mean, I never thought that, like, it was something, hey, I want to do, I want to stay consistent, but I would enjoy it. And I started, and I really love it. I like it a lot. I just wish that I would have started at a younger age, so I can get more of a feel for it, know that I like it, and just have more video ideas, content out, all that stuff. Like, I just wish I started younger, but that's what I can think of off the top of my head. That's one of the things I would change, definitely. So yeah, that was good. Who is your favorite YouTuber? My favorite YouTuber, I always say this in every video, Eleanor Neal, Miss True Crime. She makes a whole bunch of true crime content. Her videos are really long, very informative, very educational, very well thought out, and very well explained. So one part, sometimes a 2-part, but anyway, her videos are amazing. She uploads consistently. She has good stories, things I'm interested in, things I never heard of. No matter how many videos I watch, there's always more to watch and more for me to learn. And she covers a lot of content that I've just never seen or never heard of, and I just really enjoy it. She's hands down one of the best YouTubers I've ever seen on the platform of YouTube and all of my years of watching YouTube. The last question, what is your favorite outfit? My favorite outfit is those black flared pants I wore with the black Nike zip up, the black sunshades with my hair in a ponytail, and I forgot what shoes I wore, in the bag that I wore with the Get Ready With Me, the first video that I ever did on this channel, the first official video. I love that outfit. I'm gonna insert it right now. Okay, that's enough. Anyways, y'all, that is the end of this video. I've enjoyed doing this video. My belly's full. I'm feeling good, and I'm excited to upload another video. I'm gonna film my next video Sunday. I'll probably upload it by Wednesday. Yeah. Okay, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, like I said at the beginning of this video. And I will be back with my next video soon. Thank you so much for tuning in, staying throughout the whole video, and also engaging on my Instagram just to ask you questions for you to answer. I love you guys so much. Moment of truth for my babies. Anyways, bye, and I will be back next week, so tune in.